Hi team Fullest, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click of my canal. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I drain my black pepper oil. I already did a video showing you guys how I make my black pepper oil. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave it for you guys in the description box. So this is how I drain my black pepper oil, and I'm also going to show you guys how I make my Percocet oil as well. For me, when I make my black pepper oil, I leave it for a very long time. For example, right now I'm draining this oil, this one. I'm going to put it in this container, and whilst I'm draining this one, I'm going to be making a new one. Maybe the next day I'm going to make a new oil, and I'm going to leave it to sit down for at least like till this oil, till the new oil that I'm making is finished, and that would be maybe like a month or two. I realized that when you leave the oil to sit down for a longer period, it's like the pepper really soak into the oil and you really get a very good result. I'm experimenting this oil on my daughter's hair and also on my own hair on my edges, because my daughter, I did the hair and I braid the hair once and she removed the braid, so she had these bald spots by the side of her head on the edges side, and I have been using this black pepper oil and it has been really helping. But I have a special video coming up on showing you guys what the head is looking like right now. So now I'm going to make a new Percocet oil. I already have a container, one bottle like this, the one that I'm having right now. I have one bottle oil standing, full bottle. So now I'm going to make a new Percocet oil. So that is the sesame seed that I'm going to be using to make this oil. You can use olive oil, any oil of your choice you can use, but I'm going to be using this sesame seed oil because that is what I have right now. And my Percocet is already grind. You can buy this one, you can buy the normal Percocet, or you can buy the grind one. I don't really have like a precise measurement on how I make my oil. You guys are just going to watch and see how I do it. So yeah, I don't really have a precise measurement. And when I'm making this Percocet oil right now, I'm going to leave it to stay. Actually, it's going to stay for more than a month. So the Percocet on the oil and the oil are going to be soaked for more than a month, because I still have one bottle of Percocet oil that I haven't even started using. So whilst I'm using that one, I will have this one soaking. So when I'm done with the one that I'm using, by the time that one is finished, I will have a new oil that is already ready to be used. So that's the same thing I'm going to do with the black pepper oil. I'm going to make new one the next day, and I'm going to leave that one to soak. So whilst the black pepper oil that I'm making is getting finished, I'll be having another oil soaked ready for me to just drain it and use. So this is how I normally use my oils. As I'm draining this one, I am making a new one, so at least I will have oil that will soak for at least a month, because I feel like when I leave it for more than a month or at least a month, I really get the best result. So yeah, this is how you make Percocet oil. You just take your blend Percocet and you pour it, you add your oil, mix it. What you have to do is, I try to mix it at least once every week. because I'm leaving it to sit for such a long time. So I try to mix it, and I put this underneath the cupboard where I put the pan, the pots. It's in a dark space, so I can actually see it. Every time I try to take a pan to cook, I will see it, and I will just take it out, and I'll mix it, and then I'll pour it back. So as you guys can see, the oil is draining. The container that I used to make the black pepper oil, I'm not going to wash it because I'm going to be using that same container again to make a new batch of black pepper oil. So now I have made my precursor oil, and the black pepper oil is draining. It will take time for everything to drain because I really want to get just only the pure oil. I don't want the black pepper seed to enter the oil, so that's the reason why I put it in this coffee bag and allow it to drain. So I'm just gonna leave this one, and I'm going to allow it to drain for the best results. Yeah, so as you guys can see, the oil has drained. As you guys can see the black pepper, everything has drained. It took time, it took a couple of hours. I just put it in the corner and just allow it to drain on its own. I was not in a hurry because I know it was going to finish in a couple of hours. So now that I've got my oil, I'm going to pour it into this container. This container that I picked it up from AliExpress. You guys know that already. I've said it in one of my videos. So now I'm going to turn the oil into the container, and I'm going to be using this oil. And this oil really helps. Honestly speaking, if you want to see hair growth, you want your hair to grow, I use it on my daughter's hair. I use the oil that I make. Actually, to be honest, I use it more on the kids' hair. I don't know, like I also care for my own hair, but honestly speaking, my focus is more on the kids' hair because for me, I know I always cut my hair. I always cut my hair or do something crazy or relax it and then cut it again and then relax it and then go natural again. So whenever I make these oils, I always experiment it more on the kids' hair. And to be honest, I've seen a lot of great results when it comes to the kids' hair with this oil. I've seen a lot of great results. I will come back and show you guys my daughter's hair because I feel like if I just post pictures, you guys will not see what I'm talking about. But I made a picture of her hair, of her head, when she had this little bald spot, and compared to what the head is looking like right now, since I have been using this peppermint, this black pepper oil and my precursor oil, I've seen a really great result. So yeah, this is how you make your own black pepper oil. If you really want to see a fast hair growth, massage it on your scalp every other day for like a very good result. My daughter's hair is super long. Maybe I'll put a little video clip here so you guys will see what my daughter's hair look like. Her hair is very long, and her hair is very healthy, and I'm very grateful. You know, I'm very happy, and for the fact that I can do my own DIY with things that I have in the kitchen. I don't have to go and spend a whole bunch of money on buying all of these hair oils, and I know that some of them may not work, but these are just things that I have in my own kitchen, and yeah, and it really works for me. So guys, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.